Hello, radiant viewers. Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate hub for beauty enthusiasts who cherish a healthy glow and insightful skincare tips. If you're tuning in for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our vibrant community and get regular updates on the latest trends and practical tips in beauty care. Today, we're diving into a trend that's reshaping the tanning industry, the shift towards natural sun-kissed tans. Gone are the days when the goal was to achieve the darkest tan possible. Today, the beauty community is advocating for a more subtle and realistic approach to tanning. This trend isn't just about enhancing aesthetics. It represents a healthier approach to beauty that aligns with a growing awareness of the potential risks associated with excessive UV exposure, such as premature aging, skin damage, and other long-term health issues. More and more people are now seeking ways to achieve that perfect glow without compromising their skin's health. Let's delve into why this shift is happening, what it means for the beauty standards of today, and explore practical ways you can achieve a beautifully natural tan that complements your unique skin tone. The evolution of tanning. In recent years, we've witnessed a pivotal shift in beauty standards that has reshaped our approach to tanning. More individuals are moving away from dramatic transformations, choosing instead to opt for subtle enhancements that underline their natural beauty. This evolution is not merely a trend, but a conscious decision influenced by a broader movement towards wellness and sustainability in our daily beauty routines. Consumers are increasingly advocating for products and methods that are not only safer, but also more environmentally friendly. This change is reflective of a growing societal commitment to health and longevity, emphasizing that beauty should not come at the cost of well-being. As a result, the market has seen a surge in products that promise a more natural aesthetic, aligning with the ethics of responsible consumption and care for the planet. Why natural tanning? Choosing a natural-looking tan is becoming a preferred option for many beauty enthusiasts because it blends seamlessly with your usual skin tone, enhancing your features without the risks associated with overexposure to UV rays. Opting for a natural tan is not just about achieving that refreshed and lightly bronzed look, as if you've just returned from a relaxing vacation. It's also about embracing a healthier approach to skincare. This method minimizes potential damage such as skin aging, sunburn, or the long-term risks of skin cancer, promoting a beauty regimen that supports skin health. Furthermore, natural tanning aligns with a more sustainable beauty philosophy, reducing the environmental impact often associated with the production and disposal of intensive tanning products. By choosing products that are gentle on the skin and the environment, individuals are making a conscious decision to protect and enhance their natural beauty responsibly and sustainably. How to achieve a natural tan. Detailed steps. Product selection. Start with choosing the right tanning product. Look for options labeled light or natural and those that promise a gradual tan. These products are designed to build up color gently over time, mimicking the natural tanning process. Skin preparation. Before applying any tanning product, ensure your skin is thoroughly prepped. Exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. This not only helps in achieving an even application but also extends the duration of your tan, making it look more even and natural. Application technique. Use a tanning mitt to apply the product. Divide your body into sections, legs, arms, torso, and face, and apply the product in smooth circular motions. Be sure to blend well at the wrists, elbows, knees, and ankles, as these areas can absorb more product and turn darker. Gradual building. Apply a light layer, let it develop for a few hours, and then assess the results. If you desire a deeper color, apply another light layer the next day. This gradual approach allows you more control over the final shade, ensuring it complements your natural skin tone. Maintenance. To maintain your natural tan, keep your skin hydrated. Apply a good moisturizer daily to keep the skin supple and the tan even. Also, a light weekly reapplication of the tanning product can help maintain the color's freshness and vibrancy. We love hearing from you. What are your thoughts on natural tanning? Have you tried any products that you would recommend? Do you have any tips for maintaining a natural tan? Let us know in the comments below. If this video has inspired you to embrace a more natural approach to tanning, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Every week, we explore new trends and provide practical advice on how to enhance your natural beauty safely. Thank you for watching.